In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style headers on Squarespace. First, let's make sure you're ready to start. Please open up Squarespace and ensure you're logged into your account. This is important because you need full access to your website's settings to make these changes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage and we'll get started from here. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a list of websites associated with your account. Now, it's time to choose which website you want to work on. Select the one you wish to update and click Edit to proceed. With the site you want to modify now chosen, the next step is to edit the site header. Look for the Edit Site Header option on your screen and give it a click. This is where all the fun customization begins. Within this menu, you'll see Edit Design. Select this to get to the heart of header customization. As you explore the design options, you'll notice an arrow pointing down, which allows you to adjust the header layout. This feature provides several options to tailor the aesthetic according to your preferences. While you're at it, feel free to fine-tune the link spacing and element spacing. These controls help you arrange the header elements for optimal clarity and appeal. Don't forget to play around with the effects and adjust the size and width, giving your website a unique and professional look. Moving forward, let's focus on editing your site title and logo. To do this, double-click on the area where your site title and logo are currently displayed. Here, you can enter a new site title if you wish to update the text that visitors see when they land on your page. Additionally, there's an option to upload your own logo, giving your website a personalized touch. After updating the title and logo, you might want to add more elements to your header. This part is entirely up to you, and it could be an excellent opportunity to enhance user interaction on your site. Click on Add Elements and you'll find several options. You could include a call to action button to direct visitors to specific parts of your site. Adding social media icons is a fantastic way to link your online presence across various platforms. Your store's cart, a customer login, and language options can also be added, depending on the needs of your website. Once you're satisfied with your edits, ensuring everything has been adjusted just the way you like it, click Save to apply the changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures all your hard work is preserved and reflected on your live site. And there you have it, a customized header styled to perfectly suit your Squarespace site.